Kitutu CHACHE constituency yo inde banyale ko bagusanga amonere anene abisiya ingange tambukirukira nyale ko bagikwira na kwena nali bagali tangani gochia ase amagendero ime constituency yo gagukwana kurwase skuru ya St Vincent ni goboigo Anthony Kibagendi anyale ko ba anene ga kwena nali bagali nene elio kwene kyabuno nyale ko bagwikirana Oikerania obwagachigwe chipara bunagati yebirengereri byanyate ko bikobwato kwa anene na abamenyi ba constituency yo ya Kitutu CHACHE South Mosaki oito bwamangana maya Steven Demo na nyara ko bagwikirana asomoroberio yo na bwo twariganeria orobotiro kubwatia
Magega yo chibonge ao koira ibirengero by'abamenyi igore amagendero baganetie gwetere mesangerekano ya public participation ime bunge ya Kitutu CHACHE South nige ibirengero byabekwa mo na kobekwa somo choko bwe bunge ase myaka 5 erebosio Anthony Kibagendi no mujumbe o Kitutu CHACHE South.
Igorero etuomiranire ga delegates korbo Kitutu CHACHE South. Koruchinse mwao chie constituency yaito ya Kitutu CHACHE South. Abando korukere ward korbo Gusero, BOGEKA, Nyakoe, Nyatieko na Central Ward. Ere tuomiranire ga kobeka maoni ari tuabeire onchokana netekere nsemo liritu arego kora public participation. Bono na kitu achire kumerana go validate a strategic plan ye constituency yaito egetabu ekeno tu abekira maoni yaito on CP buna tutaete gokorega yaito ase myaka yetu achorirwe myaka 5 tokoba obvious
gati yemerobeliera egwe chinguru mono nelierengete chipara chie bunge asiwodi sano chire ime bunge ye
chipara tu akorire 27 roads in the whole constituency lakini nchiro chipara isato chibwate problem tali para yonsi lakini okonyora senaro moro mutabe kiribuya asenare metare tali miribia asenare okonyora no ene bridge bwato bokongu igo chipara chisato chiro chitwakaniri the roads engineer contractors chimbaba sakwa kanwa mpaka bairanire barekebishire gari sabana inchi baroche pare chinchiribia
ebunge ya Kitutu CHACHE South nigo ya ene kiribu na nechikobwaterana ne serikali ya county ya Kisii goikirania meroberi ya magenderero
chipara cheito nchimanyekaine n'abana inchi chirito gukora as a constituency office na ende chinyinge ne chie county lakini bono ngocha tori twebwateraniga twaratiga tokore mpaka chiri chie county asengencho e county ekoiregeka gochirosi na ende chiri chipara chi ngencho mono chikoro kuna critical roads para buna bono ya shirikisho elie goeta shirikisho ndia nyakorosi for almost 15 years para elie asarikire mono bone na irete resources chia kera ndoseri para elie ni ndaba na inchi batiga ko complain ine ye county para ende ne abotori para eli yabeire geketa nyakorosi unkonyero sinde eyunero igebwende ko be county lakini nkonyero sinde ne chibestie constituency ne chipara chinde chinyinge no ene elie kayaba eyuba goteba yarente tobokongu na inchi I took it up elinde nyare ko igora chipara abana inchi baito na baro banyare gokonyeka
bune meroberia chibonge ao kobeke meroberia mekano yo kwa ina kibuna obokoreri waikeirere bali baje ko bakobakira chikura nege bonge ya Kitutu CHACHE South ye kurauno mujumbe wa Anthony Kibagendi atwaliro moroberio benegati yaye amuna babwatani korwa ase bunge ye kwa ina kibuna emeroberi bene ye bonge ya Kitutu CHACHE South nyare ko bakegoikirana kire serikali yaye bwanyare ko bakegoikirani ase myaka 5 Koripoteria Ndizi TV korwa nsemo ya St Vincent kutoka ime bonge ya Kitutu CHACHE South county ya Kisii Erietariane Ndemo Steven
Biamono Mosaki oito wa mangana maya Ndemo Steven na soroboti orwa senchira yoboikiranu tokurwa ime county ya Kisii na goika ime county ya Nyamira Magega ya omobunge bwa ebunge ya West Mugirango Steve Mogaka anene guchakia omoroberio bwokorosia buya ebirasi ebyanyara kwa bigosareka ase myaka menge yanyareze kwa bigwetaritukuria rero liganyara kwa bagwikirana ase chiskuru cyoboroso airi kweneke buno nyare kwa bagakwigora ebirasi ebyo ebyanyare kwa bikorosi bwa buya na kweneke buna byanyare kwa asagia elinde byanyare kwa bigosira chisemi ase constituency eyoga okwana amonegeta seniki Ndizi TV nigo omochumbe oyo Steve Mogaka boigo anyare kwa bagakwenekeria bamenyi be constituency y'ingabisia ene chikonyara kwa bagekwira emeroberio aona kweneke buna yanyare kwa bagegosira chisemi ime constituency eyo no moroberi boigo unyara kwa bagogosirwa na gochengerwa amona babwatani abe chisemi gati abo aborokia na borokiwa aboigo banyara kwa bagochengerwa gati chiskuru omochumbo yanyara kwa bagagotarera litukolia rero ne skuru yoboroso yatinga boigo Nyamira na kebirgo gati chiskuru chinde chinyingo musaki oitobwa mangana maya kure county ya Nyamira job mangi na nyara ko baga gwikirana somoroberio oyo na boigo gotwariganiria horobotiro kobwatia
una enchira muyogosira chisemi nigo mobunge West Mugirango Steve Mogaka abaga kuigora amagache birasi byabete bikwagachwa obuya imechi sukuru isato egati yabo esukuru yoboroso ya Nyamira tinga na kebirigo iri mataraza ni kuzama asateba echinega chechisukuru emerongo ene echo abegete asomoroberio bokorongeiwa kwa magacho no kwagacho buya.
I started an upgrade program for 40 schools using the CDF funding for 2022-2023. I want my pupils in the constituency to do their exams in a totally different environment that will boost their confidence, self-esteem for them to give their best. And I urge parents to ensure that while we have built the school infrastructure like this, no child should miss to go to school.
Egatia monchorerio abeteka okolerwa ebirasi ebyo no kwagacho kwebirama ogwako kwechirangi na boigo okobeko gwechitayeli mebirasi ebyo.
Where we are refurbishing the school, providing new roofs, tiling the floors, and also repainting.
Ase ABOREKIGWA abanene bate babuna okwagacho kwebirasi ebyo ngo chikobororoberia ABOREKIGWA obogima na endemba chigokora buya
kira mabati amayi obyakire rangi na ende obekire kitairi ase floor wono nkagetegenteke gango chikere kwaleta mabadiliko amayasa masomo abana buna baguchikosa ibirasi biri ebaguchikwego kimono nkagerete ngano nyene semie soe unakonyeta ligosoa
vumbi ama kiangazi watoto hawakuji shule kwa sababu kuna wanakohoa na wakati huu ikiwekwa sakafu yenye hiyo tiles hiyo mambo ya makohozi na yale magonjwa mengine na tumaini yamekwisha.
ABOREKIGWA abanene aborokia na aborokiwa mbagokera egechambokero ekyo na gotebange chiko bakonya mono
sano mwezimiwa omonene kerengererie kanchoke igutata BW'AMAGENDERERO nokaneti abana baito baete korwe sukuru eye.
Wakati huu natoa shukrani kwa niaba ya wanafunzi wote na wanakamati na wazazi wa Tinga. Nimeona maajabu tangu niingie hapo.
Kweni ngambu ya mona sega singi ya kolire etoko musabera amaya agenderere gokora amaya na skisukuru chinde egere Nyamira yaito erabe na masomo agenderere kogenda iguru.
Ensemo yende nagikelia egekoroge kiama kia ODM kwirera ababunge egechambokerio abo babiri bakwa eserekali okoboko.
That there are political parties and political associations which are still extremely intolerant to divergent views and want to kick out, expel people whose views do not agree with theirs. That is a very barbaric way of
nagosaba aba Africa ne chinse chisiko kobwaterana elinde kolenda ebintu bitonchokanaine.
When I get back to Nairobi, I want us to tighten the parliamentary agenda so that the parliaments in the entire world, we are going to be very sensitive and only put money where we are going to support mitigation measures that are going to ensure that the adverse effects of climatic change that we are suffering do not live with us.
Okuigoro kwibirasi ebi nenjira eyamoyo kwenekianga ekerengo gechisemi kyabere gigokina ime bunge ya West Mugirango ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurwase county Nyamira Job Maangi
Biamono omusakito amangana ya kurwe county Nyamira Job Maangi asaroboti urwase nchira yobo ikiranuri tukulia leo sego ikirali tukulia lero na matukatano na bere anyalira ko bagagweta magiga ye serikali anene gochaka omoroberio obene BW'AMAGENDERERO buya ase abantu balia baikire emyaka 50 nebere naboigo abantu bali bamenyete amonoborema naboigo chintakana nomoroberio yo nigo orengete kwenekia buna anene abu bonsi banyare koba bagokonyeka nomoroberio origwe serikali bukubasira ase ekigancha kelia kya INUA JAMII ime county ya Kisii nigo omoroberio genda tukobo kolekana chinsemo asilitko lya lero nigo omoroberio nyara kobo gochaka bene ime ward ya Kiogoro anene ase abisi yo mugambi ase ababuatani abanyara kobo bagwikirana ase nsemeje na kwenekia buna banyara kobo BW'AMAGENDERERO gukwana kurwa somoroberio yo nigo anene mwe msiwe ward ya Kiogoro Walter Muchacha nyara kobo bagwikirana na kwenekia buna abantu abange boigo banyara kobo bagwikirana kwelikia ase nchira yobotoreru nigo Walter boiganyara kobaga gwakire serikali enenga mbiamo naso kwenekia buna asentunda ende ya kabere ya serikali enyare kobe kuinyura abantu bunabo abagotu naboigo bali banyara koba bakomenya no oborema banyara koba boigo bagokonyeka amoneke gancha ekyo kya INUA JAMII omosaki oito amangana maya Mildred Mumanyi nanyara koba gwikirana ase wodi ya Kiogoro boigo nagosanga amuna intwe orobotiro kobwatia
omoroberio bokorikia abagotu chintakana ababuraka amona bali bamenyete no borema asentunde yende bono inse omoroberio bo INUA JAMII nigo ogendrete imense ya Kenya CHACHE etalike ya moyo muchenyo yoiga nase orache kogenderera litukulia lero CHACHE ase eward ya Kiogoro imeanyali bali CHACHE orache koera ankyo nsemeyo bono omo MC bwensemeyo aikirana asayo lyokoene kyanga omoroberio yongo korekore wikiranu tebire no nyabali batali kwenyara goikirana mbachikulikigwa
ero nachirega asengencho yo korigereria oboriki BW'AMAGENDERERO bw'abalemavu abantu bali baikire emyaka 2 nigo chigoro amo nechintakana kiria kyatigaire ase eward yaito egere bachikonyora obokonyo bane buguru serikali enene bali babwata abalemavu banene monno bagusugumwa abandi babugoiri abutokonya egere bakole kurwe line bwango egere bairana nyomba omoroberio igo chaka lero ande ngogendero ikamambi na kuchibosio ntwaterunga na bora begokobo go just office county so nto batoko batangaza na kubaeresanga ekartuali kirtwanyorera ngambaro batacha abotoko organizing kibao jokonyo go chibosio bagende asaba chief babagaidi na kibako bago chirgo chibosio
nigo atebire omoroberio yoiga no chegokonya abagotu amona bali bamenyete no borema konyora ebesa nonye ase kugura mariogo boigo nonya nendagira
bali batari konyara kwenyara yo bagotuma representative bacha na chi documents richitagire buna chi ID ne bintu binde abagambi ba verify nande ba confirm ngambo manyete egere enjire itwanyara kabate kubakonya konyora abantu baitumbo bato bokongu bonke abangina baraba ikire myaka batari ko nyaro bokoreri bwo Rwanda na mugondo gusibanyara gukora none konda nande batabwati any source of finance ebese bochigocha na benke abeko bakonya nabakonya umuntu ugurira mariogo abale mafu bale nyomba abayiguri bande babwata abale mafu bange babere bale nyomba nabakonyora banyorere bese yabakonyire bagurira none ndagera abale mafu bale balire
gatia baria bakonyeka ase omoroberio iga mbasangane getaseni kia Ndizi TV ebirengereri byabo ase bagania emeroberio gochikobekwa gochia bosio riogokeania chingaki chiokwerikia ase boigo bakira eserikali mbuya ase omoroberio iga
ode wanta koba sublocation babanga in advance abantu bagocha batukamba ibangete egerete kunye gututukana.
Sasa kama ingekuwa watu wengine ongezewa kuandikisha tungemaliziwa haraka. Kama kwa sasa mimi mwenyewe nina maumivu na nina shida ya kifua na dawa nimesahau nyumbani na nimerauka hapa. Sijui nitamaliziwa saa ngapi ndio niende nichukue hiyo dawa nitumie.
Bilio muno benderega gotugusabira Nyasaye serikali yagendere abantu abana barabo bamanyu egento njenare ko imisa mona bagotonye ndi abanyara na baro baroseri gwese bakumira na mogoroba bana kugamba maganabo enege ntekane ne serikali yakorire and we hope negenderere gwakana bagakawa bagotuna babanyore gento beka
exercise yeke nekia governance bakore
wono nigo omubaro bw'abantu abange abagotubekerande ime wadia kiogoro eriokwerikia erinde bachikokonyeka kurwa somoroberio bwa INUA JAMII omoroberio ochakigwa etarike ya moyo mukenyo yoiga erio ora abagokugendera goikia asa matukari bosio asa litukorera oikerana asa wadia kiogoro na boigono chikondera goikali tukoria angio golipataria egetaseni kia Ndizi TV korugaiga ewadia kiogoro ime ya Nyaribari CHACHE county ya Kisii eletariane Mildred Mamanyi.
Omoroberio buno yomwancho morigari boigoni gogenrete imeye chinsemo a ime county ya Kisii ase boigo abamenyi osomubaro omonge bwa abamenyi korwase constituency ya KITUTU CHACHE South Nyarakobo gwesokia na kwenekia boigo ngabanyare ko bakwerikia amono moroberio oyo INUA JAMII omosaki oitobwa mangana maye dipo na sanya na Nyarakobo gagutarira gatie bitu aao ase omoroberio ogenrete na boigo gotwariganeria orobotiro kubatia
andiki bara etandi sababu ndo abantu byaba abanko baba bakekiagara tokumanya rengi yakaba
hasomoroberio bwe serikali o INUA JAMII gochesa bantaba gotu chintakana amona bali bamenyate no bolema imeye bunge ya KITUTU CHACHE South nigo banyara bwesokia na kwelikia ile banyara konyoro bokonyi bwa bene kurwase serikali
ko serikali etungambia mono ikiare inyira ba remafu chitakana na elderies so twanyore namba ya bali mafu yere nene
abagaka abangina bali bakire myaka 70 that is bali were mwako 1953 chimageka the wens utaria se pension ndio ya serikali kunyara ariko nikiwa kama na abana chitakana ofisi bali bele
gusanganike taseni kia Ndizi TV nigo aba obisa bateneto moroberio yo amono mugambio monene bwe location ya Gisoni Ambrose Gichana banyara kwenekia omubaro monene ase bali baligetie konyoro bokonyi kurwa se serikali
aba batukwana na abange ba ikire myakeye tumuna bono yandu bwata aba gotubedani 70 ba ikira na ni mami go chabare and we expect more era no otora na mami no otokare to make sure akiro mondo rikiro serikali ngeyo bakonya asoyo masoyo
abamenyi benseme yueni go baboligwe gwesokia asobonge ili banyara gokoro au kwerikia ase batali gotiga abantu bali no bali mamagega ase bone serikali ebwato moroberio muya wo kubakonya
igo twali kumuringa bali banso bwata bali mafu nyomba baba se kogachwa baoroke barorekane egere serikali nebwate solution iranyare kubashukira bali baraba gotwa ikire myaka 70 abarubaje asoburi ya serikali nebarengera tukubakonya
boigo nigo banyara kurwa bokorerio buya asoko barokereria chinjira chingi ya chiokwerikia
kubatendera tina death certificate to the ones either father either tato mwabo gosima mumu mwabo korokina wana abuna baye yosirete kama no kurikia balamavu bali severely disabled aseke busie tokota bali abalamavu ebiri amagata bali NCP bali batagete 24 care 24 surveillance bali ndrerio kautari kunyara kubatika
eka tukanyore challenge ye miaka tubwate guideline nga muntu ndumwese serikali ko rokombo ko tu ko qualify panyora chibese chobo ko tu no muntu bwate miaka 70 iye minute
Tomenta nayo nigo banyara kubasemia chinjera cyokonyora ogosirwa ao kurwa semiroberio ye serikali.
Mavu ntogwate chi program mbalimbali bakonyara kwa supported like byombe by which grant from the office ya National Council for People Living with Disability kwa supported kwa biashara kwa supported in doing other things
Chinga kechecho nigo banyara kwerera gati ebitango bagenderete gwetera asomoroberio ga OINUA JAMII gochia asaba na inchi.
Sisi twanya ni nyingi mbali bara bakutu bama etenga mba igete miaka lakini bata mate kale bale kulikule tambulizo na kiyali getu emiaka kali ku sama goso lakini karo kuli tambulizo kwanyoranga emiaka yaigere emeke lakini garo monene
challenge romo na bantu ku understand kasa sema yo wala mafu kama tatu tari but wana bagoli kama wala mafu bali bara magatanse pi ngabako nyara ko but ngondo mas pia kutoka ngechara ate ketari unere challenge twanyora badilende twaeresanire wananire.
Ripoti yegetaseni Ndizi TV kurwase ward ya BOGEKA ebunge ya Kitutu CHACHE South imeye county ya Kisii elietalia Ndipon Asanya
Biamono Dipon Asanya sarobotirwa senchira yoboikera nutogosuka goikera anase sekta elia yoborendi bunenchira ya moyo kwenekia buna oborendi bwanyale ko GOTING'IA asenchira yoboikera no ase location ya BOGEKA niko bono omugambi omonene bwe location yo Philip Matie kanyale ko bagakorwa eira na boigo koena na ogosemelio konene gochia saba menye be location yo buna bisia ene chikobe koeneke ya bwateranira mona bamenyi nyumba 10 na gati yababwatani bande bonsi boborendi elio kwenekia buna ekerengo kyoborendi ase location yo kyanyale ko GOTING'IA asenchira yoboikeranu chinkaki echi nigo mugambi wa Philip boiganyale ko gakoba enekeria abamenyi abubu na anene ere amona babwatani bande boborendi bachiko bakoira ebitambukero kwenekia buna banyale ko bagusiria okoni wana boigo okotumeka kwa marua aya tancheiri ayanyale ko gakoirera abantu abange gusiria obugima na boigo anene koreta emechando emenene ase location eyo ya BOGEKA.
Watulevi abaambia basa chief community policy na nyumba 10 mpaka na askari mtobwaterane aswa kwenye linga madona na nje mjando sio kitu nito to teme tobwaterane tunya punguze tunya pole ene ndio watu na tuana mende sijino bachao ni ndio papel kesho class abantu tokere tubabika jibarasa weta kubainisha na tali mtu batara to bwate na batara na to bwate na ndia security tali ke motora security ni ndio bana watu wale watu intelligence reports ase tretinyo kwa manyamba hivi ndio bana to bwate tuate makubali mapema mataraji kwa bwate ya as allocation nyingi ndo chenga utulifu mnera wa security wise umara Amanguya aba usikena kabasho mariko bakoni ntwa barangiri mosoto edition ya mosoto naba once the location cheto mpaka mtu na advice first for advice batika na mama marwa aja biashara aswa form groups ya saidia kwa fund ya serikali hapo la hewa ile saidia kwa biashara wikawana ya ili wamebe bitana ngoto ya junge pamoja wanasema ile ndio waweza kwa wanachage kwa mshiranja baadaye wanachukua vitu ndio tena na wale waliokuwa mtindo leo na wao kwa na wale sisi ya sasa mama sasa ile sisi ya sasa bila hali serikali
Togoskamo twe magegai anene ye katiba yo mwaka w'ekirubere na 10 kwenekigwa na gwikiranigwa bene nigo yanyarete koba gekobeka obokoreri bw'ekiserikali CHACHE gati yabo kwenekia buna cyanyare koba kigwatanana na gwika anene 45 na ibere bono nigo ekomiti ye bunge igore obokoreri bwa serikali yanyara koba ikomera na litukolia lero nabo igo kobeka abosio anena monchorerio ao yaka bakageire gochikobaga okorerwa ekatiba gati yabo ekoenekia buna anene omubaro bw'ekibesa gochia ase CHIKAUNTI onyalire koba omoikeranu kobwatekana n'omubaro bw'abantu abo bamenyete ase kaunti eyo ababunge abo boigo bagokwana amona chinyomba choboraria nigo banyale koba ko oteba nga amonchererio amanga gendere koba korekana gati yabo koenekia buna omubaro oibwe CHIKAUNTI onyalire koba go komentekana gati yabo ase banyara koba goteba nga bono nigo erigetie koenekia buna amagendero anyale koba wikira abakenya ase chinsemo chiria bamenyete gati ya abachumbe abo anene no mubunge bwe constituency ya Bumachoge CHACHE Alpha Miruka oyiboigo onyale koba gotangekerenga ekenene yoko butorana gose komenta CHIKAUNTI no koenekia buna abakenya banyale koba bakonyora amagendero ase bamenyete gati CHIKAUNTI echoboigo chanyale koba chikobekwa motwe chanyale koba chikomentwa neyamo ya iteso na boigo eyamo ya anene ime kaunti ya Kisii eyekorokwa agucha.
Simply to make a call for a further review of the boundaries of the various counties as they exist today. You will all remember that the 47 counties that currently exist were actually provisional, and that was the word. The key word is provisional. The original idea was actually to have 8 regions and 74 counties. That is when we were doing the 2010 constitution.
Additional counties was envisaged in the 2010 constitution. It was even envisaged that in 10 years it will be relooked at. It is in the committee of experts report. It is there, and we are now doing exactly what the constitution anticipates us for us to do. So we are proponents of 1 man, 1 vote, 1 shilling, 1 kilometer, 10 additional counties.
No, counties is not really a burden. I want to give an example of Gucha. Kisii County has got now 9 constituencies, receiving around 1 billion every financial year from the exchequer system. If now we cut, we create Gucha from Kisii County, we are using the existing boundaries of constituencies. Now Gucha will be having 4 constituencies. That's Bumachoge, CHACHE, Bumachoge, Borabu, Bobasi, na South Mugrango. Now the national cake going to the entire Kisii County will be cut into 2. However, next expense maybe is for the women rep and the senator. But the same money we are using just to create for more resources and devolve more functions to the common mwananchi. Very important.
Togoska motwe magega yo musangerekano omonene oyo orengete gukwanera anene ogoncholia kwelire koera litkolia igoro imeyo muchie o Nairobi no musangerekano yo nyarete kobokoleta amo abarai akurwa sorogongorwa Afrika litkolia rero nigo omorugi anene bumurai bwense Dr. William Ruto orecho Ruto anyara kobaga gochakia omoroberio o mazingira awards yo nyara kobokolekana ase amagacho KICC omoroberio inigo rengete koenekia buna chiskuru anene chire chanyare koba chikobekwa omoroberio olibokwegwa obosemi nobumanyi igore chinchira ao baragendere ko bakorwania ogonchorelia kwelire gokwana kurwa senseme yo mwaziri bwechisemye zekeli machoguni gatebire ngomoroberio chira sechinga kichiwenete elio koenekia buna abana ase chisemi chiabo sasomoroberio bwechisemi nabaro banyare ko bakwegerigwa igore yechimbwe baranyare ko bakorenda ebintu bitoetanaine gati yabo ogonchorelia kwelire omoroberio yo nirachikoba koenekinga kero mwaka onyare ko kwena nebiegwa agochia saborokiwa anene chiskuru ao echira ile libagalia bene kwene kiabuna chianyare ko bachikorenda ebintu bitoetanaine.
One, we want to thank Her Excellency Rachel Ruto for what she has done, because she has launched an award that will be an annual award, Mazingira Award, which the purpose is really to create awareness and to sensitize our young people from kindergarten, primary, all the way up to secondary and to university. I really commend her and congratulate her for this very great initiative. As you know, there was the Paris Declaration way back in 2021, which requires that each and every country must integrate matters to do with environment and climate change in their school curriculum. In Kenya, we started that much area when we started CPC, in 2017, and we have been able to integrate matters to do with climate change and environment, because we appreciate that indeed the adverse effects of climate have also been affecting our schools in a great way. How have they affected our schools? Sometimes floods come and they wash away our classrooms, our infrastructural development in the schools. Sometimes drought come and they affect the normal running in our schools, such that you find the school-going children are not able to attend classes because of the very
Tuguska mutwe committee anene y'obochenu ase ekanso y'abagabana litukolia lero nigo banyarako bakomerana amono waziri bw'obochenu Susan Nakuminja sibarokana bakomomochia anene serikali enene asoko batiga isko asomoroberi bokora amoncherio ase sector iyo y'obochenu bagokwana imeyo mucho Nairobi nigo abagabana bubo igo banyariko bakubolia serikali nyarako bagekoleta amo CHIKAUNTI anena somoroberio bokwenekia buna sector chonsi chirichire ase CHIKAUNTI ao echenyera ko bachiko bwaterana nagatia bokwenekia buna monchereri ayo anyare ko baga kubekwa tenene ilio nabara banyara ko bakorwa anene ebirengereri byabo.
Our input as a Council of Governors should be incorporated in these bills before they go out to the public. Your legal team and our legal team, which have not sat anywhere, should have sat and agreed on these issues before they go out to the stakeholders, unless we are being treated as stakeholders. And lastly, the two levels of government need to respect and avoid intergovernmental disputes which have taken place before.
What if the National Assembly will not capture our interventions? Who is going to implement these bills or these acts? Because I'm seeing a standoff. If you give me a bill or an act to employ 1,695 workers who are CHPs, I cannot do it because of the resources.
These bills have not been developed from nowhere. They have been developed from existing documentations, and the existing documentations have been worked on together with COG. So believe me that your voices are already in these bills, but agree that we
Nere omonachi omonene bwebina imense ya Kenya Martha Koome nigo amochiri byombe ao bye serikali asate bire nigo byenyere ko bigo swana na nobokoreri anene bene bwa judiciary gose obonachi ebina imense ya Kenya gati yabo nigo Koome bigatebire buna nige byombe byenyere ko babikwenekia buna byenyere ko bigotanga gati ya chibese chikonyara ko bachiko bwato kwa asobokoreri bwa ebigambero a imense ya Kenya ya kwana litukolia lero imeya county ya Mombasa maga yo komerana amona banachi ebina somoyega okonyara ko kolekana limokera umwaka.
The custodians of the social transformation promise of the Constitution envisages that we are to be the enablers for the realization of its aspirations. We are to utilize the law to effect positive social change. We can and we must be enablers of the values and principles of governance that are embodied in the Constitution.
There was a year when judiciary got zero budget allocation for the delays that we have seen. And on our part, we acknowledge there was inadequate planning and management of multi-year projects, and some of the constructions remain incomplete to date, but with clear and deliberate plans for their completion.
Commit that the National Assembly will continue to support the judiciary within the parameters of the Constitution.
We cannot at any one moment try to say that the National Assembly, the Senate or Parliament in general has any right whatsoever to try and hold the judiciary to ransom on any matter. It is purely interdependence within the confines of the Constitution, that what National Assembly is supposed to do under the Constitution for the judiciary, it must do it.
Ebyombe abitali bya serikali kolende bigendeza koba bigosegeta na boigo kwene kinga byenyera ko bikwena na oboseme uchia saba Kenya igoro gonchorire kwirire nigo byebekarire amo na boigo kwena no koboko gochia ase chingwana na boigo okoigwana okukwanya tukobo kolekana litukulia igoro meyomuchi o Nairobi kubwatekana na barai aborogongo Afrika bachite amo na boigo kobeka anene chinjira abaranyara koba bakorwania ogonchorire kwirire bakorawa anene nebyombe nigo boigo banyarire koba bagoteba nga eyonkati yechinchira achiranyara koba chikwene kiabuna abakenya na boigo orogongo rogimero Afrika rwanyara koba rokwiyarigani bene chinchira baranyara koba bakorwania ogonchorire kwirire na boigo kwene kinga banyara koba bakorenda ebintu bitwetanaine.
Declaration is a 10-point declaration, and you see it, and it acknowledges many things. It acknowledges the Sustainable Development Goals. Our declaration, I said, is 10 points. And as you know, with all declarations, we spend the first 3 points recognizing what the issues are, recognizing that we are the African Climate Summit, and we recognize the efforts of the African Union and heads of government that are here. We recognize that the world has come to Africa, and we are taking this opportunity to speak with one voice and to usher and amplify and echo. We're almost a response to our leaders. You know, Africa, you always have a call and response. They make a call, we respond, and that is how voices get higher and higher, and it's our call to action. So we are here echoing and amplifying.
Gwikira gumwancho murigire bigata Seniki and Ndizi TV no to gwikira omwerio bwamangana Amayia Chinsa Chinsa Isato chiabono botukotigangire libageri wakarangambia monaso kwene kinga kwanyara kobogo sanga amona intena BW'AMAGENDERERO ayo kururi tukeria gachagete na gwikira chinga kibunechi meroberio itobotambe na boibo igo konyara kobogo koyebwate gwetera se mitandao ya ito ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na boigo gwetera sensemo area ya YouTube na Ndizi TV News ironyara koboga kwenekia buna Amayia ya gochere gwetera somo no bemanyereriga korokwa Joshua auta na boigo gwetera se chibicha neliogini gakorokwa Petra Mukeira. By the way, litko liarero bali banyatuko bakwiborwa litko liarero gati yabo igakorokwa nga Petra Mukeira twakoganeirie ogochengera okuya kwelituko liago korende ne keki totara ntore no gosemerenga maiga ye kamera ekeki ngobutorwa ere twakoganeirie Amayia ilitariane ngorokwa Josphat Amisi na koganeirie oborigerio bia BW'AMAGENDERERO egeretoka bekobwatia imegeta Seniki and Ndizi TV.